This was the kind of question I was asking myself when I got started with my first affiliate marketing business opportunity. I didn't really know how to go about doing it. But you know what I did? I went ahead and started taking action in my business to create results that I could share out to my audience. Like, for instance, I'll give you an example. I was running a few solo ads here and there. And when I was making sales, I went ahead and shared that on my profile. And then later on, as I was continuing to build my business, I got coaching and mentorship from my coaches and mentors, Ace and Rich Guzman, in which they shared that why don't you just share the results of you generating all these leads? Because that's what they did in the very beginning when they weren't having success. What they would do on their social media and on their blog, they would go ahead and share that, hey, look at all these leads that I'm generating in my list. And they just kept doing that every single day. And people were growing more curiouser and curiouser. And they were messaging them asking, what is it that they got going on? So what I would recommend that you do, Ezra, is you want to go ahead and start creating results. Now, you could do that by going into paid advertising. Start running some solo ad traffic to whatever business opportunity that you're promoting, and share the leads that you're getting from those solo ad runs. And if you make a sale, share that. It doesn't matter if it's not like a grand, big success, like you generated $1,000 commission. See, we're often led to believe when we get started in affiliate marketing that we have to showcase those big results, because that's what we see a majority of people do. Hey, look at my bank account. I just made $3,000. Who cares? What people care about is what you got going on. Is it actually working? It doesn't matter the money, because anybody can fake that. I could go into my bank account and show you that I just had a $4,000 deposit when actually it didn't come from my business. See, that's what they don't tell you. And you don't want to be resorting to such tactics. Desperate tactics, I should say. What you want to do instead is you just want to showcase the real, genuine results that you're getting. Show how many leads you're getting onto your list, because I've seen that work out successfully for my business when I post about those results. You make a sale, post about it. Share all the results that you generate from your business, and just build your success story brick by brick. Another way you can do this is by sharing other people's success story. You can also do that as well to get your affiliate marketing business going, to get the momentum going. You can share other people's success stories without telling your audience what you're selling. You can go ahead and do that in the beginning if you don't have your success story built up yet. But what I recommend you do is focus on building your success story. But you don't have to go super duper turbocharged with it. All you just need to do is just take it step by step, do all that you can to start building your success story.